let me show you how easy it is to connect your AWeber mail account to Formidable Forms. First, in WordPress, go to Formidable and choose the Add-on tab. We're going to install and activate the AWeber add-on, which, you guessed it, lets us connect our Formidable Forms to AWeber. Then, go to the global settings for Formidable and choose the new AWeber tab we just added by activating that add-on. Click the link on the page to go to AWeber, where you'll be prompted to log in to AWeber. Once you do, you'll be given an insanely long text string. This is the authorization ID that you'll need to copy and then paste back in AWeber's Global Settings tab in Formidable. Click Update. Perfect, you're connected. If you want to check to make sure you're connected, when you're in your AWeber account, choose the Integrations tab and check to see what integrations you have activated. Formidable Forms will be there now. Now let's create a new form. In the templates, you can search for a newsletter sign-up form, or you can create it from scratch because it's only 2 fields, a name field and an email field. Save your new form and name it. I'll just name it the same as the template. Alright, now we need to connect this specific form to AWeber. Click Settings and choose the Actions and Notifications tab. You'll have a new action called AWeber. I bet that's the one we want, so let's click it. It's pretty straightforward from here. Choose the AWeber list you want this form to add people to. I only have one list, so easy choice for me. Choose the name field for the name of the user and email for email. Then you can add any ad tracking labels and tags if you'd like. Click Update to save. And you're done. Now, any user who submits your sign-up form will automatically be added to your AWeber subscriber list. And that's how easy it is to use your own sign-up forms using Formidable Forms. Subscribe for more form building and WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.